Hello students, how are you all? Hope you all are fine. So children, again it's time to practice our cursive workbook. Hope you like to do practice in this workbook. Okay, so please open your page number 48. Open. Today we will learn the cursive letters, capital as well as the small cursive letters Q, R, S, T, U and V. So here at the top side, take this classwork and mention the heading 06/11/2020. Before teaching you the concept of this, I want to tell everyone that I am seeing that many of you are not writing properly. You are not following the lines, blue and the red line, which I told you in each and every video that you have to write in the same formation which is given over here, and I am telling you that how you will write that. So please see the videos carefully and follow the same pattern. Okay, so now let's start. Here the first letter is Q, capital cursive Q. So see, we will make like this. Start from the red line, come till blue line and join Q like this, in this way. Now join the small q from the big one, capital one, like this, capital cursive Q. Now make again O, make a curve downward. Now make small q like this. Okay, now once more till blue line you will draw, join and make the smaller one, Q. Alright, now come to the R. See, start from the red line until blue line and make a curve, one curve and another open curve till blue line. Now join and make the small cursive R like this. See how I am moving my pencil. No need to lift your pencil again and again. Just write it down in one single flow. Now again start from the red line, curve, move upward, make like B, and from here it will be open curve. Now join again R. And here S. It is little bit difficult that there are so many curves, but you can draw if you will see carefully. Okay, see, start from the blue line, move upward till red line, come downward till blue line and like this. Now join this small S like this. Okay, now again start from this blue line, curve and make like this. Start from blue line till red line like this, S, the small as well as the capital cursive S. Now come here downward, T. You will write here curve in red line, come towards the blue line. Now join like this, and here the bar will be upward the blue line, not on blue line, not on red line, in between blue and red here. Okay, now again make, now join upward and bar will be here on red line, T, small t, join like this, small cursive T. Now come over here, U. How we will write capital cursive U? Curve like this. It's very easy. Make a curve till blue line and make here join the small u. Make a curve like this and join the small u. And the last one, V, like this. It is in umbrella shape U. It is little bit slanting in narrow, V. Move upward like this. Okay, so everyone will write in one single flow and in very good handwriting. Okay children, I want to see everyone's handwriting very beautifully. Okay? Use your sharp pencil and follow the same formation and the way I have taught to you. Okay? Now come to page number 49. This page is homework for you. The same letters, you will put a tick towards homework. Mention the date 6/11/2020 and you will do it in your homework. Okay, I will give you remarks over here, excellent, very good or good. If you want excellent, then you have to write it very beautifully. Okay, so this is all about your cursive work. Hope you will do it. Thank you.